Hello, I am Rex Jones II at Inflectra. We are excited to be a part of TestMu this year. Inflectra helps you deliver quality software faster and with lower risk. From our world-class ALM for agile teams to our codeless automated tool for web, mobile, and desktop application. Inflectra understands quality when we see it. This August 21st through 23rd, you too can experience a quality online event right from the comfort of your home or office by registering for the TestMu Conference 2024 now. As a part of LambdaTest, we jumped at the opportunity to sponsor TestMu with an outstanding lineup of industry experts, practitioners, highly educational sessions, keynote sessions, and an emphasis on educating and building a community. TestMu is going to be one of the best online events this year. You cannot miss it. Visit LambdaTest.com/TestMuConf-2024 to learn more and register for free today. Oh, and hey, if you can make it, stop by the Inflectra booth to fill out our 3 short question survey for a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Hope to see you there.